If you're tired of having nails that keep breaking and instead want to grow long and feminine natural nails, then it's not going to happen by taking more vitamins. You see, the real secret lies in these 10 simple habits that most women don't know about. And once you uncover them, you'll finally be able to grow the natural nails you desire, just like over 100 of my clients. But before we dive into the 10 secret habits, let me show you exactly why taking more vitamins won't grow your nails. Think about it like this. Nails don't just grow on your fingers, but your toes as well. So if the root cause of your nail breakage was lacking vitamins, then your toenails would be breaking as well. But they're not. And the reason why is while your toenails are protected in your shoes all day, your fingernails are exposed to the harsh environment and chemicals, which weakens them. But the first secret habit will fix this, which is repair nail pills, don't file them away. Back in 2020, I would get these really bad nail pills on my nails, so I would just take a block like this and file them down to get rid of the peels. They look better at first, but after a while, they would come back and I'd file them again. And the constant filing thinned out my nails until they broke even more. So instead of filing down your nail peels, I recommend repairing them with the OPI repair mode. This is a serum that absorbs into your nails and acts like an invisible glue, so it holds your current peels in place so they don't get worse and turn into tears. All you do is apply it to your nails twice a day for 6 days and look at the difference. But this is only for nails with slight peeling and not thin red nails. Now your nail peeling has stopped, but make sure you do secret habit number 2 to prevent splits on the top, which is file with a glass nail file, but not just any glass nail file. So back in my early days of nail care, when I first heard of glass nail files, I just went on Amazon, got a pack of 20 for like $10 and thought I snagged an amazing deal until I started using it. It was so dull that I had to apply a ton of pressure to my nails just to get it to file, and that of course caused more damage. So instead, I recommend that you use a high quality Czech glass nail file made from authentic Czech glass because it's way sharper and more precise and only requires light pressure to actually file your nails. All you do is file in one direction for a smooth, clean finish. Moving on to secret habit number 3, you hand file your gel off and avoid electric files. I know there are so many videos on social media where you see women effortlessly remove their gel polish with these e-files, and they make it look so easy, but it's not. E-files are professional tools that require extensive training, and if you use these files without training, it is very, very easy to file way too deeply and thin out and damage your nails, and end up with a ton of red spots that feel sensitive like this, which is by far the number one type of damage I see in my clients' nails. So to prevent this, I recommend that you take a regular file and just file off the top layer of gel and then soak off the color. This takes a little longer, but will prevent this type of damage. Now onto secret habit number 4, you don't use nail hardeners to get stronger nails, but nail oil soaks. I had a client who swore by nail hardeners. She thought her nails would crumble if she didn't have one on. But the funny thing was, her nails were breaking because of the nail hardener. And here's why. When you apply a nail hardener to your nails, it's like turning a piece of flexible plastic into glass. Sure, it may feel harder on the surface, but we both know the minute you apply any slight pressure on this glass, it will break completely. So instead of using these hardeners, I recommend doing a nail oil soak, and here's how you make it. You just grab a bowl, pour a little jojoba oil into the bowl, and soak your nails in it for 10 minutes, and then you rinse. When you do this once a week, you'll see a major difference in your nails. Now, if you want to make sure your nails stay strong, you must do secret habit number 5, which is wear dish gloves, and here's how to make it easier. I had a client whose nails would constantly peel because she would always forget to wear gloves when cleaning. So a little hack that I developed for her was to make sure she put cleaning gloves in everywhere she cleaned. By her sink, in her cleaning bucket, in the bathroom. That way, every time she would grab her sponge or cleaning supplies, she would easily see the gloves and not forget to wear them. Moving on to secret habit number 6, which is moisturize your nails daily. So the other day I was at a pop-up in the mall and a lady came to my nail booth and told me that her nails would constantly break. So I asked her what she was currently doing to her nails, and she told me nothing, which is completely normal because no one teaches you how to care for your natural nails. But the truth is, just like plants need water every single day to thrive, your nails need nail growth oil at least once a day to grow. And without it, your nails are on the same exact track as this plant not being watered. So all you do is apply nail growth oil to your nails at least once a day, and this only takes 15 seconds. Now, this will help your nails as long as you do secret habit number 7, which is not applying clear polish on weak, peeling nails. So, of course, I was at another pop-up shop and a woman came to my nail booth and told me that the nail salon wrecked her nails. So I looked closely at her nails and saw that they were thin, red, and peeling. But what stood out even more was that she had a clear coat of polish on her nails, which is a big no-no for weak, peeling nails. And here is why. Imagine for a second that your weak and peeling nails was like this peeling piece of paper. When you apply a clear coat of polish to a weak peeling nail, it's like putting a piece of tape on this weak peeling paper. Sure, it may look shiny and glossy at first, but the minute you remove the tape, it takes layers of the peeling paper with it, which only makes it worse, and the same exact thing happens to your nails. Applying clear polish to a weak peeling nail will only make the peeling worse. So if this is you, take a break from clear polish until all the weakness and peeling is gone. Moving on to secret habit number 8, which is don't clean your nails with these brushes, but this gentler cleaning method. Nothing ruins a neat feminine nail look like dirty nails, but you don't want to use these brushes like this that you see in other videos, because if you scrub really harshly on your nails, you're going to cause micro tears that will cause breakage. So instead, get a wooden stick like this, and while you're washing your hands, gently put it underneath your nails and get rid of the dirt to get a nice clean look without the damage. Now we have secret habit number 9, which is don't clip your nail tears, mend them. So the story of my life used to be grow my nails long, then get a side break and have to cut them down completely and start over in my nail journey. But that all changed when I discovered this repair kit to actually mend your nails. So all you do is apply a little glue to the tear, then sprinkle on a little powder, and being careful not to get the powder all over your skin. And once this patch dries, you smooth it out so it blends into your nails. And again, you just smooth out the patch and don't scratch your nails. And your nail is fixed. But in order to make sure your nails don't break again, you must do secret habit number 10, which is not using your nails as tools. And here's how to make this super easy. You see, one of the worst nail breaks I've ever had was when I tried opening a box with my nails. My hand slipped, hit the table, and cracked at the root. It was very painful, and that day I vowed to never use my nails as tools again. So here is what I recommend doing instead. I recommend keeping scissors in drawers around your house, so anytime you have to open a box, the scissors are right there and are easier to access, and you're not tempted to use your nails as tools. Now, these 10 secret habits will grow your nails as long as you accidentally don't do these 5 common habits that will break them.